Hey Vikas, do mutual funds always give high returns?
Not necessarily, Sapna. Mutual fund returns depend on market conditions, the type of fund, and how long you stay invested.
So there's no guarantee of high returns.
Right. However, staying invested for a long term may help one get potential risk-adjusted returns.
So patience is key.
Absolutely. Staying invested through market ups and downs helps you benefit from compounding and potential growth.
Got it. Invest wisely, stay patient, and let time do the work.
Exactly, Sapna. Wealth creation takes time and consistent effort. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.